My pepper, yan. Oh. My pepper. Ito naman po yung eggplant. And my green pepper. I plant from seed. Not this one. Ayan. Yan po ang tomatoes ko. Tomatoes. Yan po. And there had another plant here. And spring onion. Spring onion. Ito po spinach. Ayan, spinach. And my cilantro, may onion. And my yan po another tomatoes. Yan po, enjoy lang po mag-garden. Ayan. Yan po. May bunga na ang aking tomatoes. Yan po. Maganda. Hopefully I can harvest. Yan po. Dami po akong sitaw dyan. Sitaw. Yan po. I gonna plant that one. May pang sigang na ako. There you go. Yan. Sigang. Ito po ay potato. Thank you po for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye for now. Where's the airplane? Ayun. I wish I take a picture, a video. Ano po? Thank you for watching.